Friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a white flash transition in DaVinci Resolve 19. So as you can see here on my timeline, I have a video here, and I'm going to simply, let's say, make a break here or a split of this video so that we can make that white flash transition. So as you can see, there's a break here, a split in the video, right? You can see that. Now, the next thing you want to do is head over to generators on the left hand side under your toolbox, right? And you want to look for solid color. So you'll have multiple different options here, but the best one to use is the solid color. So just simple drag that on to your timeline right over where you have the split or the break, and you want to adjust that to your liking, right? How long you would like that flash to be. So I'm going to make mine just around this. Now from here, you want to click on that solid color and head over to the right hand side. You will have multiple different options here. You want to head over to the right hand side, and under the generator section, you want to click on the solid color option here and just change this to white. So you want to change this to white, press OK. Then you want to click on settings here, and you want to scroll down to where you'll find composite, right? So you want to find composite and then look for the opacity. Now the trick to making this a white flash transition is that you want to click to this beginning of this solid color and just bring this down from opacity to 0 and just do a key point here. Just simple click the key point button, right? Now this is going to start the key point. In order to see the key point, you can just simply expand it so you can see where those key points are. Then you want to move this towards the middle, and then you want to bring the opacity from 0 all the way to 100. That's going to automatically make a second key point for you. And then you want to go towards the end of that solid color here, and you want to bring that opacity down to 0 again. And that's it. You make 3 key points, and that's going to, let's say, start with a lower light flash and go higher and then down again. No, let's have a look at that. I'm going to go ahead and, let's say, close this or the keyframes right here, and you'll be able to see how that white flash transition look like. Let's have a look. And that's it, guys. And you can always go ahead and adjust it to your liking. And that's it. Very easy and very simple how to manually add a white flash transition in DaVinci Resolve 19.